Hello everyone, this is Khargone from Shrikanwartara Public Higher Secondary School, Mandleshwar, and I have with me Reet Jaiswal, who recently got selected in DU SRCC, and in her 11th class also she secured 94.8%, right Reet? So very first thing is very congratulations to you, and now over to you. How are you feeling?
I feel very happy. Like I cannot express it in words. It's more like my dream has come true. Finally, I am able to get SRCC. This is one of the biggest thing ever in my life that has happened to me. So I'm very happy with this.
So definitely I can see the delight on your face. Fine. So the very first thing is that like how you thought of DU? Like was it your like right from the beginning you thought of that you need to get into the DU?
Basically, I got to know about DU from our principal sir, Mr. Yogesh Joshi. Obviously, the school has played a major role in what I am today and what success I have achieved. Principal sir was the one who told me about DU, SRCC, and he made every effort he can so that I get into SRCC. So I think a major thanks goes to him and the school.
Okay, fine. Reet, like what plan you made? No, like it is not that easy to get into the thing. So what was your strategy then?
Basically, I had 2 months to prepare for CUET. I did attend some coachings, but I would say they are not very helpful because they only teach you English and general test. Not many coachings, teach you all the domain subjects as well. But I was able to manage time. I used to study general test and English in coaching and give all my rest of the time to all the domain subjects. That's why I think I was able to score a good marks in all the subjects.
So I would like to know like a small span of time for coaching, like 30 to 40 days, right?
Yes.
So is that enough like for a child who aspire to get into DU sort of universities?
I think it is. If you have studied hard in 12th, if you really focused on it, then you won't have face any problem because you will just take the 2 months of time for revision. And I think 2 months of time for revision is okay, but if you start studying all over, then it would be very difficult.
So the viewers make it a point that right the whole 11th and 12th class you need to make it that right from the 11th class your concept should be clear enough so that actually when you get into to prepare for DU so it is sort of a revision only.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. How school has been so supportive to you like?
School has been really supportive. Like principal sir was the one who told me to stay here till night and study. He was the one who motivated my parents also. Even all the teachers here are very supportive. If you follow their guidance, I think you will definitely be successful in life. I'm telling you.
Yes, so viewers here I would like to say the school also provide the space to your people, the students of the school, if they wish to come in the school and study here, if they have any distractions at home, so the school do provide them. So this is what she did. Basically, Reet is from Kare, which is I think 30 or 35 kilometers away from here. So she shifted here so that her time can be saved and the whole like after the school she used to be there in the school only.
Yes.
After actually the school gets over, she used to be in the school so that till late night she was here only and the teachers were also there who supported her very
She
much.
was here with me. She used to be there till 10.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much for that. One important question I would like to put up to you, right? Like mobile. How you set yourself away from this mobile mania?
I think if you are away from social media, you will definitely not have anything to use in mobile. Basically, if you are, if you concentrate on your studies and you are determined enough that you have to give 100%, I don't think mobile will play any role in any distraction. But I'm telling you, social media really distracts you. So keep I would not say कि just like off the switch off, do not open an account or something, but make sure you use it in the right way and only for some time. Like I think because social media really depresses you, I'm telling
That
you.
means
So this-
altogether you should know how to use
Yes.
it, right? We have pros and cons of the same thing.
but you should know your priorities. If you know you want to get into DU or some other prestigious colleges, or want to do something really great in your life, so you should be knowing that what are your priorities, and you should act that way as well.
So I'm really so happy, so delighted, Reet, and once again, hearty congratulations to you.
Thank you, Maha.
And all the best to your future endeavors. Thank you so much.